How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my entry into Jeff's Model Car Garage big rig group build, guys. Big rig group build. But before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. Never ask you for nothing, brothers. Just if I mention anybody, their link will be in the description below, and that's all I ever ask, guys. All right, let's get this video going, guys. What we got in here is, well, first of all, this is Jeff's Model Car Garage. Model Garage. Y'all need to go check him out. He is a great, outstanding member of this community. I don't care what Charlie says about him. He is awesome, and we all love him. And I mean, he's like one of the founding fathers of this community, along with Tom and everybody. And if y'all don't know him, get over there and give him a big old thumbs up, subscribe, and please join his group build, guys. He puts this on every year, and it's a great group build. All right. Yeah, now this will be like one of my first times to ever join the group build, but I don't build big rigs. Why? Because they take up so much room, but this is going to be an exception. This is the 130 or 43rd scale. I was going to use this for my small scale group build, but you know what? I decided that I didn't want to share the group builds because Jeff deserves his own group build, and so I'm going to build this one for the big rig group build, and my next video will be my entry to the small scale group build, which Dan the man from 60s Rule and myself both host, and that starts in February. But this is Jeff's Model Garage. This is his big rig group build, and let's get this thing going. This is the box. This is a vintage kit from, I reckon, the 70s. It's not from the 80s because it have a barcode and stuff on it. But there's no date on the box, so I'm not for sure. But I'm sure Tom or somebody will tell me what year that is from. And let's open this bad boy up. We have, there's the first sprue. It is still nice chrome after all these years, guys. Very nice. Let's put that over there. Here's the second sprue. Let's see, you can see right there it says Peterbuilt. Put that over there. I don't have no instructions for this, guys, so if any of y'all have the instructions to this, my description will be below. My Gmail, send me a copy, just print me off a copy or a link to anywhere I can get instructions for this. That I would sure be nice. I mean, I'm sure I could figure it out, but it'd be nice to have instructions. Looks to me that if that's date is right there, that's usually a date on these. So that'd be 1974, but can't guarantee. These decals are very bad, poor shape. Don't know if I'll use them, but it does have them, but it don't have the instructions. I'll tell you what, let's get this thing opened right here. Yeah, I probably should already did that, but kind of worthless that way, guys. I don't always do what I'm supposed to do when it comes to making videos. I'm just going to do this. Let's just throw the parts over there. That way when I get done with them. Okay. That right there looks like part of the tow bed, the wrecker bed. And yeah, I don't know big rigs, so I can't tell you what all's going on there, what parts those are, but hey, that's why I need instructions. I'm sure I'll get some found somewhere. There's more parts. Don't have a clue. That's probably to the boom, I guess, of the wrecker bed. Not for sure. Let's get these all opened up, guys. I'm sorry, you know, like I said, I'm kind of worthless. I should have had this done, but you know, there's more parts. Don't know what they go to. Just throw them over there. Even more parts I don't know what they go to. Somebody knows. Now I do know just by looking that would be the side of the wrecker bed, each side, and probably parts of the boom or whatever, just little miscellaneous parts that fell off the thing. Here is the clear glass. It's got some flash on it. That's alright. Alright, and then I'm going to show y'all too. Here's all the tires and stuff, so I will not be getting those out. I'll just leave those in there. Let's open this bad boy up. Throw it all out. Make sure all the stuff's out of the bags. Boy, let's save that for last. Yeah. Sorry guys, you know, like I said, should already had this done. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Alright, now we can see right there, that would be frame rails or chassis rails, whatever you want to call it. Radiator, battery boxes, you know, just looks like the dash. I don't know if y'all can see that dash. Got pretty good detail on that dash. 1/43 scale, guys. Can't beat that. Here's part of the sleeper cab. Don't know what those are. Probably, I guess, sides of the sleeper cab. Here's one side of the engine. Engine parts, exhaust parts. Here is the other side of the engine. And then here is fenders, mud flaps, and I think they say Peterbilt. There's your diffs, shocks, wheel backings, springs. Yeah, there's those. Here's a little whatever miscellaneous box here. Here is the interior tub. Here is the front of the cab, or not cab, but the hood. And here is the body of that cab right there. Boy, look at all that detail. This is a 1/43 scale kit, guys. Look at that. All that detail in this small kit. Alright, well, I want to thank Jeff. Y'all get over there and subscribe to him. Get over there and join his group build, guys. I'll leave his link in the description below. Alright, I'm out. Bye.